Very good morning, children. Last class we have started about the reflection of light concept. That lesson we have started. On the basis of that we have discussed about the definitions of all light, reflection of light, all we have discussed. And under that reflection of light concept we have discussed, we have started about the incident ray, reflected ray, incident angle, reflected angle. So on the basis of that we got laws of reflection. That information we are getting from that. So first law we can observe here, normal line we got. What is a normal line? Which is perpendicular to the plane of reflection. Yes, perpendicular to the plane of incidence. So perpendicular to the mirror, whatever we are selecting here, plane mirrors only we are discussing. The line which is perpendicular to that plane is called normal line. And the incident ray with normal line and the reflected ray with normal line. Both the angles are same. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Both definitions we wrote, I think, already. Did you wrote, Nana, those definitions? Angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Is that finished now? Now we are going to start with that rule. Whatever we are observing from the diagram, last day diagram. What is that rule we have observed yesterday? So that rule is, from the diagram we can observe here, this is the angle of this is the normal line. Yes, this is normal line we can observe. Good morning, sir. This is the normal line we can observe. And the incident ray is this one, and this will be reflect in this manner, rebounds back. This is the angle of reflection, this is the angle of incidence, this is normal line. So from this rule, whatever we are observing is the incident ray making an angle what is equal to the it is making, which is equal to the reflected angle. That means incident ray and the reflected ray both are making equal angle with the normal line. So this is the one rule of reflection. We have to understand this one. Is it okay, children? Are you getting my point, Ashwant? Yes, in this manner we can understand the first rule. And one more thing I want to tell you, before only we have discussed in the starting of this lesson, light rays always follow straight line path. Light rays always follows straight line path. Is the screen clear for you? Yes, in this manner we can understand. Are you there? Screen clear only, na, children? Yes, light rays always follow straight line path. And the one more is incident ray and reflected ray both are making equal angle with the normal line. So this we have to understand. This is the rule. Whatever we have discussed previous, this is the rule. And the next one is, observe the diagram carefully here. So what is the image? Next concept we have to understand is image we have to understand. We have to understand here the human eye. From here, from this point onwards, the people observing that image. Yes, and here this is the image whatever we are observing inside the mirror. So here the candle we placed and a source of light. So from this point onwards, the light rays incident on the plane mirror and reflects back in this manner, and which are making equal angle with the normal line. And one more point is, light rays always follow straight line path. That is the point you have to remember. And if we observe that image inside the mirror here, so this is whatever we are observing in the mirror, that one is virtual image. Inside the mirror, man mirror lo chusedi virtual image. Again we can able to capture this on another screen. Ikkada inkoka screen pedte, it will refracts and passes that rays to that screen మీద కూడా పడ్డాయి అనుకోండి, we can capture that one as a photo. దాన్ని real image అంటారు. So when the real image will form, so that we will observe according to the situations. We can observe when the real image formed. So plane mirrors always gives virtual images only. Is it okay? Virtual images only. And we are able to see a person who is walking on the road through a window or a door. So how can we observe him? At the same time, the person can also see you. Is it possible to see the person while hiding oneself? ఒకరు కనబడకుండా ఇంకొకరిని చూడొచ్చా? Is it possible? Is it possible, Nana? We can observe, but that person will not get that point. That person will not get that point. So new person joined. Who is that? New of light lesson. We'll finish that lesson and we'll go through with IIT also. And again IIT, I'll start from starting. Till now we didn't started that one. Okay, we'll discuss those. Okay, just listen. Here rules of reflection we are discussing. Rules of reflection we are discussing. So under this we have to get the point here. See, without showing our face, can we observe another person? Is there any possibility? Just think a while. All of you, Yashwant, you also. Is it possible to think see a person without showing our face? మనం ఉన్నట్టుగా తెలియకుండా మనం దాచుకొని we are in hiding. So at that time, is there any possibility to see the person? So for that purpose only we are using periscopes. Yes, from longer distance onwards we can see the persons. And for example, if we observe, we are inside the room. Yes, inside the room, from window, a small hole. From a small hole we can observe without showing our face. We can hide and we can see. Yes, from a small hole we can see. Larger outside entire light rays will enter into that, through that, and we can get the reflection through that. Yes, మనం ఒక చిన్న హోల్ నుంచి చూస్తే కనిపిస్తుంది కదా బయట మొత్తం. So in that manner we can see by hiding. So on the basis of this concept we have periscope. Periscope, did you observe in your daily life? Periscope విన్నారా? Yes, చూసే ఉంటారు కూడా. So how can we can also make our own periscope. Here the procedure they given, Nana. So we can also make our own periscope. Here let us do this. In this they have given about the periscope. So take two agarbatti boxes. Okay, both ends we have to close. Both ended close. Yes, both ends closed. Agarbatti box we have to take rectangular box and to draw squares at both sides. Squares at both the ends. Okay, now in this manner we have to draw the diagonal to these squares. Draw the diagonal to these squares in this manner and take a blade, and with the help of that blade cut the into diagonal shape. Diagonal shape lo dani middle lo cut cheyandi. Whatever we drawn that squares middle lo diagonals draw chesam kada. So on that we have to cut, slit cheyali. అంటే సన్నగా కట్ చేయాలన్నమాట. చిన్న పీస్ కట్ చేసేయాలి అక్కడ. అండ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద మిర్రర్ స్ట్రిప్. అది ఎంత లెంత్ ఉండాలి? మన ఒక మిర్రర్ స్ట్రిప్ వి ఆర్ టేకింగ్ ఇన్ రెక్టాంగులర్ షేప్. ఆ స్ట్రిప్ అందులో ఫిట్ అయ్యేటట్టు. ఓకేనా? ఇట్ షుడ్ బి fitted in that manner we have to cut that one. So here fix the mirror strips in these slits as shown in the figure. In this we have to fix the mirror strip and lie parallel to each other. Here also we can do like that. Here also we can do like that. So both should be parallel. E two parallel gundali. So in that manner we have to fix and take a burning candle and fix the mirror strips firmly to the wax with the few drops of molten wax. With the help of a wax we have to fix that one. Wax from a burning candle we have to fix in that manner. And you can also use glue or gum, anything you can use. Fevicol, anything, wax for fixing that one. Antukodu kada dani kosam gum or else any other you can fix in that manner. Okay na? And cut out two windows on the narrow sides. Narrow side means where, Nana? Narrow side. Narrow side means here. Here we have to cut a piece and here also we have to cut a piece. This side and this side. Is it okay? Mirror strips we kept now. Here this is transparent side and another side we have to make coated. Back side coat undali, ikkada back side coat undali. Ee two mirrors parallel gundali. And the window should be open directly on the reflection surface of the mirror strips. Window should be open. Here we have to light rays ikkada padali. So if we observe in that manner, e side nunchi, now your periscope is ready. How can we see with the help of that? You will be able to see things lying in front of window if you hide behind a tree. So hide behind a tree and we can observe from that. Ikkada nunchi chuste we can observe that objects. Yes, ela vachi padutunnayi manaki, mana eye ekkada undali? We can observe from one side Here also we can observe, or from here also we can observe. Window side another one we can place. So small objects, here bigger objects we can observe from the small hole. సో ఇవి లోపలికి ఎంటర్ అయిన తర్వాత ఈ మిర్రర్ మీద పడతాయి కదా, ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చేవి అన్ని ఈ మిర్రర్ మీద పడి, అండ్ అగైన్ దీస్ ఆర్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ టు దిస్ మిర్రర్ అండ్ వీ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ సైడ్. అర్థమైందా మీకు? ఇక్కడ వచ్చి పడినవి ఈ మిర్రర్ మీద రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయ్యి అండ్ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ బ్యాక్ టు దిస్ మిర్రర్, దీని మీద పడి దెన్ అగైన్ వీ కెన్ సీ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ హోల్. వీ కెన్ సీ. డిడ్ యూ గాట్ దిస్ పాయింట్ ఆల్? హ్యావ్ యూ గెట్? Are you getting my point? Yes, very nice. And in this manner we can make our own periscope. So what we have done, Nana, take a rectangular agarbatti box and make two squares with the help of pen or pencil and draw diagonals in the middle in this manner and cut with the help of a blade and fix slits. In that slits fix mirror strips we have to fix. And we cut here one hole and here one hole we have to make in this manner. So we can observe the objects outside with the help of this small hole. We can observe and we can hide like this window, hide and we are observing a tree from this periscope. So in this manner we can observe the outside objects by hiding. So here they have given, is there any possibility to see by hiding? Yes, we can hide and we can also see with the help of periscope. So in real life also periscopes we are using. Kaleidoscope also we can make. So that also we have in this chapter. Next one. And place a mirror 1 feet 1 by 1, okay, on the floor, and you and your friends A, B, C side. In this manner you have to stand 4 sides and adjust your places of standing in such a way that each one of you can see the image of a person. So how can we adjust, Nana? Here A can see the image of another person, B can see the image of another person, like that you have to stand. So how can we adjust in that manner? We have to move aside. So whenever we can observe the image of another person, మనం ఎప్పుడు ఎదుటి వాళ్ళ ఇమేజ్ చూడగలుగుతామంటే whenever the angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection, then only reflection వస్తుంది నాన్న. So అందుకని according to that we have to change angles. If a person is standing here, he cannot observe that image. At that time he have to adjust. Okay, he have to adjust in this manner. This side or this side he has to move. Then he can get the clear image from that mirror. So he can see the image of opposite person B and he can see the image of C. In that manner A can see C image and B can see D image. In that manner we can observe. And your friends A, C are able to see the images of each other. So these two people can able to see the, A can see the image of C and C can see the image of A. But what about B, who is in front of you, feet aside from his place? He move aside from his place. Then ఈ picture ఈయన image ఈమె చూడలేదు. Why? Because what is the difference there? The incident ray, reflected ray and normal should be same plane. Only then you can see your friend. Same plane లో ఉండాలి. Plane change అవ్వద్దు. At the same time angle of incidence, angle of reflection both should be equal. Then only we can see the image of that person. Okay na? So this is another law, Nana. Law of reflection. This one is another law. The incident ray. So here one law I told her, and incident angle is equals to reflected angle. This is another rule I told her. Incident angle is equals to reflected angle. This one is another one. And one more law I am telling. This is the basic law. From 6th class onwards you are studying. Here these are the two things we are getting in this class. Yes, is this clear for you? The incident ray, reflected ray and normal should be in same plane. Only then should be in same plane. This much is enough, Nana. So when that time only we can observe the image of opposite person. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal should be in the same plane. Then only we can see the image of the opposite person. and at the same time angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. Whenever we can see the image of other person, at that time ఇది ఉంటుందన్న, angle of incidence is equals to reflected angle. Both are same ఉన్నప్పుడు and ఇవన్నీ సేమ్ ప్లేన్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే మనం ఆపోజిట్ పర్సన్ ఇమేజ్ we can observe in that screen. Okay, is it clear for you? And how do we get an image in a mirror? How can we get? So you would have to see your image in a mirror many times. Yes, many times you would have to see your image in mirror. During daytime, the light which falls on you get reflected, and a number of reflected rays from you that fall on the mirror also get reflected back. These reflected rays reach your eye and make you see your image. So how it is possible? The light rays are falling on your face, that rays are reflect back to the mirror, and that are again reflect back to your eyes. Then only we can see. Yes, from all the directions the light rays are falling on you. So from you reflection goes bounce back to the mirror, and mirror to bounce back to you again. How many times reflection possible here? 2 times it is happening. Yes, source to you, your face. Yes, source to your face, and your face to mirror, and mirror to your face, your eyes again back. So in that manner we can see the image of yourself. Yes, ourself. And how the image of a candle is formed in the mirror? How the image of the candle formed in mirror? So to see the image of the candle in the mirror, can you see the image in the mirror through the object is not seen by you? So you are unable to see at that time. Is it possible to see that object inside the mirror? So inside the mirror, image we can see here, and also that image we can see in the mirror. How it is possible? So the first of all, the reflection coming to you. So we can see the candle outside, and inside of the mirror those are reflecting in this manner and rebounds back those to your eyes. Okay, why the image getting in the mirror, candle image, why it is happening in inside the mirror means the rays are reflecting to mirror, then inside of that image formed, and from that the reflected rays reaches to your eyes. You can see that in inside of the mirror also. Sometimes it is possible to see without this seeing this also, we can see that inside of the mirror. How it is possible? The here the candle placed, nana, we cannot able to see that part. Sometimes part is away from you. మనం వన్ రూమ్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు అనదర్ రూమ్ లో ఉన్న ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ మనకు కనిపించవు, బట్ ఇన్సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద మిర్రర్ వీ కెన్ సీ దట్. డిడ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్డ్ ఎనీ టైమ్? ఎస్, డిడ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ నానా? హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్? వై we are not able to see this part? Here same plane లో లేవు reflected and incident rays, normal rays according to you, not in the same plane, but here we can see that inside of the mirror. How it is possible? The reflected rays which are reaching to the mirror from that object part nunchi mirror ki reach ayinai, and inside of the mirror those are reflecting back to your eyes. So clear diagrams they have given, we can understand from this. Yes, is it okay for you all? Yes, response late ki istunnaru enti? Yes or no? Today any difficulty you are facing? No? Is there any difference between you and your image? Once again I want to ask you one thing. Is there any difference between you and your image inside of the mirror? What are the differences you observed in your differences are there? What about us? We are as it is only, we can observe any inversion, lateral inversion, left is right, right is left, is it? No, left will become as right and right will become as left. అవునా? లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ లాగా, రైట్ లెఫ్ట్ లాగా కనిపిస్తుంది కదా ఇన్సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద మిర్రర్. దాన్ని ఏమంటారు తెలుసా? లాటర్నల్ ఇన్వర్షన్. ఓకేనా? లాటర్నల్ ఇన్వర్షన్, ఎరెక్టెడ్ అండ్ లాటర్నల్ ఇన్వర్షన్ we can observe. Not exactly we can see our image only, but left will become as right, right will become as left. లాటర్నల్ ఇన్వర్షన్ అంటారు దాన్ని. ఓకేనా? మనము ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ if we are eating in front of a mirror, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ తో తింటున్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది, బట్ we are eating with right hand, but inside of the mirror we can observe like left. So that is the difference. Left will become as right, right will become as left. That is called as laternal inversion. Laternal inversion. And whatever we have discussed now, so those are periscope preparation method. Yes. So from the textbook you can write that notes. Okay na? Periscope preparation method we can write from the textbook. And one more thing is, these two last we have studied now, and periscope preparation we have discussed, and the next one is how the image is forming in mirror. How the image is forming in mirror. These two diagrams we understood now. Is how it is forming, Nana. Here human eye exists, and the here candle we can take, and the light rays incident on that mirror. Here candle forms, candle image we can observe, and those are reflect back in this manner to our eyes. So in that manner we can observe the image from this place inside of the mirror. And sometimes we cannot see the object part or any candle we are placing. So this candle we cannot see, Nana, we cannot see, but inside of the mirror we can see the candle. How it is possible? Those rays are incident on that mirror and reflects back to your eyes. So here what happened, దీనికి reach అయింది before only. Here we cannot see this image, object we cannot see, but image we can see. Inside of the mirror image we can see from this place. So this is the another case. Okay. So in that manner we can understand. And is there any difference between you and your image? Laternal inversion. Laternal inversion. Left will become inversion. INVERSION. Laternal inversion. Only sides are interchanged. Only sides are interchanged. Sides are interchanged in image formation. In image formation. Image formation. This is called, who is that, Nana? Laternal inversion. In image formation, this is called laternal inversion. Up to here clear for you all? Tomorrow we'll discuss the remaining.